Chief Minister Shri N. BIREN Singh inaugurated the World MEETEI Convention 2020 at Lamargram village in CACHAR district of Assam yesterday. During the function, BIREN stated that the Manipur government would provide some relaxation to the Manipur diasporas for entering into the state under ILPS, clarifying about apprehension among the Manipuri diasporas about the regulation of ILPS. A 3-day-long 4th India Land and Development Conference ILDC 2020 was concluded yesterday at India International Centre in New Delhi. The event was jointly organized by Azim Premji University, Foundation for Ecological Security FES, Housing and Land Rights Network, Landesa Rural Development Institute, Land Rights Initiative, NCAER, NRMC, WRI India under the theme Institutions, Innovations, Information in Governance. With a vision to promote bowl badminton game, a friendly match of badminton was played between India and Myanmar at MMRC and Unity Park in Khangabok of Thoubal district. Bowl Badminton Federation of Asia and India with Bowl Badminton Association Manipur organized the event. Coronavirus cases are on the rise on India, the latest being a Paytm employee in Gurgaon who has tested positive for novel coronavirus, according to reports. This was confirmed by the company in a statement issued the previous day. With this, 29 confirmed cases of COVID-19 have been reported in India till yesterday. Fresh incidents of violence have been reported from a couple of places in Meghalaya. According to sources, unknown miscreants attempted to torch a private vehicle bearing registration at Umsning Patarim bypassing under Umsning police station early this morning. Javier Pérez de Sousa, the two-term United Nations Secretary-General, died yesterday. Javier brokered a historic ceasefire between Iran and Iraq in 1988 and who in later life came out of retirement to help re-establish democracy in his Peruvian homeland. He was 100.